The Tourism Youth Congress is part of the Caribbean Tourism Organization's annual tourism conference. Its main aim is to get young people more involved in the future direction of tourism in the region. Tobago had its round of competition, and the new Junior Secretary of Tourism has emerged.
Firstly, I propose that we create immersive museums throughout Tobago. According to Mortensen, an immersive museum is a specialized museum which creates the illusion of time and place by representing key characteristics of a reference world and by integrating the visitor in this three-dimensionally reconstructed world.
I was really thrilled, and it was a wonderful moment because I knew that we had prepared in a very short space of time, but because of her confidence, her natural confidence, her brilliance, I knew that she was going to be successful.
Signal Hill Secondary Sixth Form student Janae Brathwaite is the new Junior Tourism Secretary. She is the representative for the Youth Congress debate in the Cayman Islands. The event is a platform for those representing their island to share their visions on the tourism industry.
My topic has to do with experiential tourism. It basically looks at the fact that tourists are moving away from just going to an island to visit or take pictures and just leave it as that. They want an experience. They want something that is more immersive, an authentic, memorable one.
Winning the competition in Tobago provides Ms. Brathwaite with an opportunity to promote Destination Tobago among her Caribbean peers.
Janae has a passion for Tobago, for the land of her birth, for the culture, she has always been curious about learning about our traditions.
A lot of the persons who will be there, they know how to sell their island. They have the same passion that I have for my island. I am going to be an ambassador for my island. I'm going to sell our tourism products, sell our culture, our history, our attractions.
Information and debating skills are key elements to a successful presentation. And there's a core group of persons preparing the Junior Secretary for the regional competition.
Right now, Miss Carrie Jack, Dr. Sylvan Hazel, and now Miss Janelle Moore are the ones helping right now, but as we go along, when the school term open back, Miss Martha will be helping with my delivery and enunciation.
My role has been to ensure that Janae is on current with the required knowledge for the Caribbean Tourism Youth Congress, the required content, and also to ensure that she is fully prepared for the mystery topics, the mystery segment.
At the Tourism Youth Congress, the Junior Secretary will bring her topic, Experiential Tourism, to life with a video presentation to complement her speech. I'm Juliet James from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.